Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get glide tights in Tears of the Kingdom. To begin your quest for these useful leg armor pieces, first fast travel to the Thiflo Ruins Skyview Tower. Once there, launch yourself high into the sky. From this elevated position, you will want to glide directly south. Your destination is Bravery Island, a distinctive floating landmass situated above the Great Hyrule Forest area. As you glide from the Skyview Tower, aim to land on the initial round floating island. You might need to use a nearby stone launcher to catapult yourself the remaining distance to the main Bravery Island. Once you arrive, look for a steward construct. This helpful robot can be found on the bottom platform of the island, near a pool of water. It holds the key to acquiring your new gear. The steward construct will present you with a dive ceremony challenge. This involves launching from the top of the island and skillfully navigating through a series of glowing green rings as you fall. Your goal is to pass through every ring and land safely in the pool at the bottom. You must complete this aerial feat in under 35 seconds to successfully pass the trial and earn your reward. Upon successfully completing the dive ceremony within the time limit, the steward construct will reward you with the coveted glide tights. These special leg armor pieces provide enhanced mobility while you are gliding, making your aerial explorations much smoother. Remember, the glide tights are part of a 3-piece set. Upgrading the entire glide set will grant you an incredible impact-proof bonus, eliminating all fall damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.